babies can all eat up then. Not you. Come on, yum yum. No, you're definitely not going to have any. Okay, that's your little tail's wagging. Right, come over here, he says. Are you going to... Make your way back to your own food, please. Oh, he's so excited. This is I prefer to play with people.